morning everyone. Today class is check the symbol and perform the operations in each of the following. Check the symbol. Check the symbol means is it plus, minus, into or division. First check the symbol and perform the operation. Operation means is it addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. And do the sum in each of the following in these three sums. Okay, let's see the first sum. What is the fraction? 3 by 12 plus 7 by 12 plus 3 by 12. See here, what is the operation? What is the symbol? Plus symbol. What is the operation? Addition. Let's see the denominators first. What are the denominators here? Both are same. Both are, which is the denominator? 12. That's why take only one denominator. These two are 12s, right? That's why take 12 here. We have two numerators. If the denominators are same, are the two numerators. Let's take 12 here and 7 plus 3 is 10. See here, we have 10 by 12. This 10 and 12 are both are cancelled in which table? 2 table. Let's do the simplification. How many times in this table? 2 5s. Here 2 6s. The answer is 5 by 6. Very easy. The two denominators are same. That's why we took it. We taken 12 and we add the two numerators. And that is the 10 by 12. These two are cancelled in 2 table. That's why we got 5 by 6. Right? Let's see this one. See here, what is the fraction? That is a mixed fraction. What is this fraction? That is also a mixed fraction. Let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's multiply these two numbers and add this number. 4 3s is 12. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 by 4. Minus 2 1s is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. See here we have 4 into. Let's take a LCM. Take LCM. Write the 4 here. How many fractions we have? Let's see one more. This is 2 plus 1. Okay. Let's simplify this. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4. Minus 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay. Consider this is a quotient. Consider this as a quotient. See now. What is the denominator and what is the LCM? 4. See here how many fractions we have? 2. Which symbol it is? Minus. So minus. Okay. How many fractions we have? 2. Okay, 2 fractions. Let's see. The first fraction numerator is 13 into. Second fraction numerator is 3. Into. Consider this is a quotient. Okay, you don't forget it. 4 how many times here? 1 time. 2 how many times here? 2 times. Take it by. 13 ones is 13. 3 2s is 6. Third denominator 4. 13 minus 6. 6 after to count 13 numbers. How much? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much the answer? 7. So write the 7 here. The answer is 7 by 4. Okay, can you do the reduce? No. We can't write the lowest form because this 7 and 4 doesn't cancel any common term. Okay, let's see this sum. 2 1 by 6 plus 1 1 by 3. This type of fraction. What is the fraction? Mixed fraction, right? So multiply these two numbers plus 1. Again multiply these two numbers plus 1. 6 2s is 12 plus 1. 3 1s 3. Here 12 plus 1 by 6 minus 3 1s is 3 plus 1 by 3. Let's see. 13 by 6 minus 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. Here we have our 3, 6 and 3 are remembered. Consider this is a question. Consider this is a question. Okay, let's see. 6 and 3. Take LCM. Take LCM. 6 comma 3. 6 comma 3. These two are cancelling. Which table? Tell me. 3. So cancelling 3 table. 3 here 2 times. Here 1 time. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2 is 6. 6 1 is 6. So the denominator is how much? 6. How many fractions we have? 3? 4? No. How many fractions we have? 2. Let's take a 2 bracket. What is the symbol? Plus. Okay. What is the numerator? Don't consider it. Consider this is a question. Consider these fractions are as a questions. 30 into 6, how many times cancel here? 1 time. 4 into 3, how many times cancel here? 2 times. Okay. Take the denominator 6. 31 is 13 plus 4 2 is 8. See here the denominator 6 is common. 13 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 3, 19. 20, 21. So easy. 21 by 6. See here, this 21 and 6, these two are cancelled in 3 table, right? So, you cancel these 2 and 3 table. 12, how many times cancel? 7 times. 7 3 is right? So, here 7 times. 3 2 is so, answer is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Understood, children? Note down answer of you. See all of you this one. This is a word problem of fractions. Kabir walked 112 kilometers to his school. Kabir walked 112 kilometers. 112 means 1.5 kilometers to his school. Then he walked 3 by 4 kilometers to the library. How much did he walk together? Together means what you have to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. See the question. Kabir walked 1.5 kilometers and then he walked 3 by 4 kilometers to library. So if you add the two numbers, you will get how much distance he walked. Okay, let's see the question. In this sum, what we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Together means addition. Okay, let's do it. Write on given. Kabir walked to his school. How much? 1.5 kilometers. Okay, let's see. He walked to library. To the library. by 4 kilometers. He walked together. Do you know? We don't know. Let's see. You first convert this fraction into improper fraction. 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. Okay, let's take 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Take a denominator. 2 and 4 is, take LCM. 2 and 4. 2, 4. 2 table. Right? 2 is cancelled this to 1 time. Here 2 times. See here. 2 into 1 into 2. How much 1 to 2? 2 to z is 4. So the denominator is 4. What are the numerators? We have 2 fractions, 2 brackets. Okay, 3, 3. 2 how many times cancel here? 2 times. 4, 1 time. I will do this sum here. See, 3 2 is 6 plus 3 1 is 3 by 4. 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. 4, 3 plus 6 is 9. So, he walked together. He walked together is equals to 9 by 4 kilometers. 9 by 4 kilometers. Convert these kilometers into a fixed fraction. Divide this 4 in 9. 9 2 is 8 by 1. Remainder. So take the 4 in the denominator place. Write the quotient in the whole number. Write the denominator in numerator. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the total distance is 2 1 by 4 kilometers. 2 kilometers and 1 by 4 kilometer. 2 1 by 4 kilometers. He walked. Okay? Understood, children? All of you note down this sum. These type of sums are in your textbook. All of you must practice that sums and do these textbook sums also. Thank you.